What's up? So we got our Autel here, and this is everything that it comes with. The Autel AL539B. It's got built-in multimeter. It has your test probes here. And this gizmo here, this is so you can do your battery test in your starting system. So this does a lot. This is like one of those snap-on bricks. I think it's comparable. It can do a lot of the same things that system does. So let's see it in action right now. It shows live data and all that good stuff. Hey, what's up YouTube? Check it out. So we're in our 2012 Toyota Prius V right now. Got a check engine light. And we got our Autel AL539B. It's the one with the battery tester. And we're gonna do the code reader. Pretty quick. Check out that one. Control module, read codes, store codes. So we'll check and see what that is. What are the pending ones? Same. I wonder what that is. That must be from the last major service. No, because I had an engine rebuild. I wonder what that's all about, the clear distance for the mileage. So, cat temperatures. That's pretty cool. Some good information here. This is a good unit. And you can even record the data. Component test. Let's erase the codes. Now we got our check engine light off. And we'll see if it comes back on. All right, we've driven about 200 miles or so since the last, or about 150, and no check engine light, so we fixed the problem. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.